These people are nuts here. They're nuts. There's pecans everywhere. But that's not what we're trying to get. I'm trying to get the truck going 40 miles an hour with the trees behind. I think that'll be sweet. See how many trees there are. Have you counted all these trees? Oh yeah, there's more there. She's way down there, I gotta start. Hey.
Just saw some cows.
Beautiful. Look, we're at Indian Bread Rocks campground. Rocks everywhere. It's sort of like Joshua Tree if you've ever been there. And we found this spot off the first left pullout. Now coming up the rest of the way, I decided not to drive up here. This goes up a couple hundred more yards and it looks a lot like this. If you made it up this far, you could pull back. There's a huge opening back there. We turn around, here's the drive down. If you find the right lines, you can get down here with a truck and trailer. Otherwise, turn left, woo! And come to Giroux camping adventures, baby. Hey guys!
Here. One amazing fact that's here is that when you do something really loud, it echoes all the way there.
Looking behind us, the valley looks pretty cool. A buoy is out somewhere over there in Fort Bowie. You can actually take some cool hikes, which we did. I think we posted that video. Let's keep going.
Bye guys. Dad.
We're gonna keep walking because we're rock climbing, baby. Okay, go have fun. There goes Lucy, she loves it here. Look out for snakes and scorpions. And poop, of course. Emily, are you almost done?
Not yet.
Oh, man, that's a big one. I'm right behind you. Go. You got it. Woo! Here we go. I don't need hands. I'm following Lucy. She seems to know what to do.
I think I just found a critter egg.
Okay, ready? Who's next? Take your time. Go. Push, push. Okay. Ready? Ready? Go. Woo!
I'm going to climb and walk. I'm queen of the world! I'm queen of the world! See you later.
You found a new path. Look at that. You guys found a rock with holes in it already. That's really cool. What's this, a step?
Yeah.
Let's see what's up here before you guys come up.
Can you get us?
Hold on, hold on. Okay. Woohoo!
Lucy, go! Lucy, go, go, go! Yay!
Yep, grab that handle. Pull yourself up and wait. Okay, here we are. That's our trailer way down there. We're at Indian Bread Rocks Campground. Now we got to get down. We climbed up this whole rock. This is the rougher part, and then after that it's pretty easy walking for a while.
Ow.
All right, I'll go get Emily. Grab it. There you go. No. Okay, here we go. Last step. Ready? Boo! Good job.
How was that?
We got to get down. I think we went this way. We went this way. Come on, guys.
No. Daddy, can you roll?
Come on, girls.
Woo!
Lucy knows the way.
It's so windy. It's so cold now.
All right. All right, back to base camp. Quite a hike. We didn't go to the top, but we went probably to that one up there. That was fun. It was about 2 hours and 4 minutes and 2.27 miles. See you later. I'm trying to get the truck going 40 miles an hour with the trees behind. I think that'll be sweet. Okay, that was sweet. I think that worked.
Come on, run really fast.
I ran really fast. You were going fast. That was sweet. That worked out.
I ran really fast.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, time.
Okay, bye.
Get in the car.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to